Welcome to my channel Sai Suriyas Academy. If you are new to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. In today's video, we are going to discuss about binary addition. We have been already discussing in the number system conversion series about binary, decimal, hexa, octal and so many conversions. You can check the playlist, number system conversion playlist. Okay, in this series, now we are going to discuss about binary addition. This binary addition can be done in two simple steps. In the first step, you want to know about the simple 5 binary additional rules. In the second step, directly you can solve the binary addition as an integer part and as a fraction part. In today's video, we are going to discuss about 3 examples with 2 integer examples and 1 fractional example. Okay, now we move on to the step 1, that is the binary addition rules. In the binary addition rules, we are having 5 set of rules. If you know about these 5 rules, you can solve any number or any example whatever given. Okay. The first one, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1. Now, in the fourth example, 1 plus 1, it is given as 2. In 1 plus 1, in as per decimal value, the count is 2. So, 2 when represented in binary, it is represented as 1, 0. We all know this. This is a basic thing. So this 1, 0, how it can be written in addition or how it can be written in the problem is, this 1, 0 consists of 0 as a sum bit and 1 as a carry bit. Just remember, in the example you will be clear. Similarly, 1 plus 1 plus 1. This 3 ones when considered in terms of binary value, it is number 3. So 3 when converted to binary, it will be represented as 1, 1. In this 1, 1 also, this last one is represented as sum bit and this left-handed one is represented as the carry bit. So these are the 5 basic rules you will be knowing or you want to know to solve these examples. In this 3 ones occur, when this fifth rule or the 3 ones will occur means when we are having a carry bit, when we are having a carry in binary addition, these triple ones will occur. Just knowing these simple rules, now move on to step 2, that is solving the example 1. Here consider a number 0, 1, 0, 1 plus 0, 0, 1, 1. Here 1 plus 1 which is 2 can be represented as 1, 0. So 0 as sum bit and 1 as carry bit. So 0 is written here as the sum bit and the 1 carry is written here in the above the next bit. So now the second bit when adding, we have to add the carry bit. So 1 plus adding the carry bit, 1 plus 0 plus 1. Again 2 occurs. So when 2 occurs, it is 1, 0, 0 here and then carry 1 here. Again 1 plus 1, 2. For 2, it is represented as 1, 0. So 0 here and 1 here. Now 1 plus 0 plus 0. So 1 is written. So the resultant value is 1, 0, 0, 0. Now you will be clear about what is the sum bit and the carry bit. The resultant after when we are getting the adding the 2 numbers is called the sum bit, and when it is carried over, when we are getting the resultant as 2 digits or 2 bits and the next bit has to be taken over as a carry bit. So this is the first example. Consider the next integer example 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. When added to 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 ones you are having. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 1, 0, which value is 1, 0. So 0 and carry 1. Now this carry has to be added with 1 plus 1 and plus 1. So 3 ones we are having. When we are having 3 ones, fifth rule will be applied, which gives 1 1. 3 value you will be getting, which is represented in binary as 1 1. So 1 is represented here and the carry is written here. So 1 plus 1 again 2, 0 and then carry over 1. So 1 plus here now 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So 1 1 which gives 1 1. So 1 written here and carry over here. 1 plus 1 it represents 2. So 1 0. So 0 here. Since it is the last bit, there is no carry over or any leftover here. So 1 0 is directly written here. In the last bit, that is the 1 plus 1, the 1 0 is directly written here. So the final value is 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Here 1 0 0. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the binary fraction. That is the same addition, similar we are going to discuss here as a fractional value. Consider an example 11.10 adding with 01.11. It is written here as it is as a decimal fraction, how we are converting the same, but in terms of binary we are going to apply the same binary additional rules. So 0 plus 1 which is 1, 1 plus 1 which is 2, its value is 1 0, so 0 as sum bit, 1 as carry bit, and then the carry is added with 1 plus 1 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 which gives 3, its value is 1 1. So 1 is represented here and the carry over is written here. Now 1 plus 1 plus 0. So the addition value is in terms of integer 2, its binary value is 1 0. So 0 written here. Since there is no other digit or any left over here, the carry bit also written here. Since it is the last digit, the carry bit also written here. And the decimal point is placed here as it is. In the carry over can be carried over from the decimal point to the integer point. There is no difference. So here 1 plus 1 0 and after the decimal point the carry over is placed here, but the decimal point we can place it in the resultant sum. So 101.01 is the final answer for the binary fraction. So just remember this simple binary additional 5 rules. These are the possible rules or the possible things will happen in a binary addition when doing a binary addition. Not only these 3 examples, whatever example you can consider, you can apply these 5 rules and you can solve on your own. Okay, that's all for today's video. We'll meet you all in next video. Keep supporting Sai Suriyas Academy. Thank you.